Hello everyone. So let's get started. As the question says, if the series limit frequency of the Lyman series is VL, then the series limit frequency of the fund series is. This is a simple question. We need to remember one thing, one formula, that is uh, for Vn, for any n excited state, Vn is equal to Rc upon n square, right? So here we see the solution. For Lyman series, n is equal to 1, and for fund series, n is equal to 5. If we talk about V Lyman, Rc upon 1 square, that is equal to Rc, correct? And for fund series is Rc upon 5 square, that is Rc upon 25. From this equation right here, we substitute V Lyman in this solution, in this equation, thus giving us the value V fund is equal to VL by 25, which is this option. So option B is the correct answer.